Well, if you're getting ready to buy a home, you know what? There is so much to consider, from the latest design trends to how to finance. You're going to need some help, right? Well, you're in luck. We have Tom Mason, Senior Loan Officer at Nova Home Loans, is here with us, along with Brian North of North & Company. Welcome to the both of you. Welcome back, I should say.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I'm super excited to talk trends, right? Okay,
Yeah.
let's talk about, first of all, there's, there's the traditional, Southwestern style house that we've all seen out here. Not so much high on the list right now, huh, Brian? What's up?
Well, I mean, there's so much of it in Arizona that I think what's important is the common conversation right now is transitional modern.
I like that
so
word.
the word transitional, right? So you taking some of what you're seeing in either kind of some of the coastal cottage look that we've seen over the last 4 or 5 years in Central Phoenix and some of those areas, and transitioning them into some of the more traditional Arizona homes.
Yes.
But then really taking some clean line features and minimizing just a little bit, but still keeping it warm.
Okay, let's take a look at some of the ones. And the ones that we're going to see, are these currently on the market now?
They're not currently on the market.
Okay.
One will be coming soon to market, but not currently on the market now.
I love this.
Great house.
Love this.
Great
What
house.
do you call it?
This house is very modern. I would call this probably desert contemporary. It's probably what I would call this.
I like it.
Yeah,
I like it.
Because on the outside, right, you have very neutral palette, stone. You can see the minimalist kind of succulent landscaping, which is very traditional to the area. And this is actually the interior kitchen of this, which is very modern. Concrete floors, polished concrete floors, Caesar stone countertops, flat panel cabinets. This is really, really modern, but still had a very warm feel.
Absolutely. I love it. And this is something that any family can fit into. This is not just for, a second home look. This is for families.
Yeah, I think when people think modern, they think very sterile. I think that's really where they go in their head automatically. And that's the thing about transitional. So this taking a very traditional ranch home. This is a home in Arcadia, and it's very traditional ranch on the outside, but on the interior of the home, there's definitely some modern finishes to the home. So more square-lined countertops, shaker-style cabinets, and so you see a transition into more modern, but very warm.
Are people asking for these types of design trends? Because I'm not sure people really know what to ask for.
Yeah, well, I think that we lead with the things we see every day. So if you're in your big box stores and you see in the little home furnishing section that there's a trend changing, or Restoration Hardware catalog says modern on it now, you start to pay attention to what does that mean. A little more of a traditional Santa Barbara Spanish home, but then from a home, what now we're seeing is taking some of where we started with the home that was a desert contemporary and finishing the home on the interior in a home like this.
Okay, so Tom, we're seeing all these beautiful homes here. When you're out looking at homes and you fall in love with something, then you got to be able to afford it and to finance it. So tell us what's trending right now. How are you helping people afford their dream home?
Well, easier financing is becoming available to different buyers, from your lower price range to these higher price range homes. We have up to as little as 3% down. There's down payment assistance programs. But then what's really popular are some of our professional programs. If you're a doctor, if you're a dentist, lawyers, CPAs, we can go all the way up to $1 million financing with just as little as 5% down.
And this is such great news, because this means that the market is opening up again.
It is.
Financing didn't used to be so easy even just 6-9 months ago.
Right.
It's trending more in the buyer's favor now?
Yeah, somewhat. With those programs that are available with less down payment for those higher qualified buyers, it's getting a lot easier for them to finance the homes.
What do you want people to be prepared for before they go out and fall in love with their dream home that Brian's going to sell them? What are you going to say to them? Just let's get your financing in order first.
Yeah, sit down with a mortgage professional, do a face-to-face meeting with them, and get all your options laid out in front of them, so you know exactly what you're getting into, and then go out with Brian and find the house of your dreams, and your financing's taken care of.
That's really a good point. A lot of people do it backwards and don't do that.
Exactly.
Be prepared. Thanks very much, you guys. Good information. If you want help with your home loan, here's what you can do. You can contact the Mason Group, Nova Home Loans. You can find them at 3900 East Camelback Road. That's Suite 200 in Phoenix. You can also give them a call at 602-206-3144. Learn more at themasongroup.az.com. And if you want help finding or selling your home, give Brian North a call at North & Company, 602-714-7000, or you can email him at Brian at northandco, C-O for company.com. And you can also find more information on their website, northandco.com.